I'm Jackie Gallant. I'm the president and the owner of the company. So I've been with the company since the beginning in September 1995. We're fundamentally a vaccine manufacturer. We make autogenous vaccines for livestock and poultry. We're microbiology as well, so we have a lab where we can find the isolates that we make the vaccines from. These are prescription vaccines, so they're intended for use on individual farms, as opposed to the kind that you would get just going to the veterinarian and getting for any animal you wanted. These are specific for the farm. They can only be used on the farm. They're done under prescription from a veterinarian. We find the organisms here, or we can get them in from another lab, and that's what we make the vaccine from. When I was in high school, I wanted to be a veterinarian, and I discovered the lab in about grade 12. So I decided I really wanted to be in a lab instead. Attracted to the University of Guelph because of the veterinarian aspect of University of Guelph. So I did my degree in microbiology at the University of Guelph. And when I graduated, I started working for a vaccine company in Guelph. And so that got me into the vaccine industry. So it's pretty much everything I like. I don't think microbiology is going anywhere. Organisms, as we hear in the news all the time, are evolving every day. And that's what we're addressing in this lab, is the changing isolates out there. We can change a vaccine formulation in a couple weeks, whereas a commercial product would take maybe up to 10 years. So we can adapt to that change very quickly. Well, in high school you would want to take science, math. At university, a degree in biology, microbiology in particular. It wouldn't necessarily have to be from Guelph in the veterinary field, but a strong background in microbiology. Chemistry, we really don't do that much, so it wouldn't really give you that type of a background. There are courses at community colleges and just colleges for biotechnology, and those are 3-year programs. Those would also be very applicable. There's also people here that have worked or have taken a course at I'm not sure what their title is, but it's another type of a college where they would take, say, a 9-month course in a lab assistance. There's a lot of opportunities in the pharmaceutical and in terms of representation and research and sales and those types of aspects. In what I do, there are a lot of the vaccine companies are actually shrinking because of being bought out, but the need for vaccines are still there. Same is true for the pharmaceuticals. So in sales opportunities, research. We work with very closely with the labs in Canada, all the university labs, Alberta, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Ontario, at OBC, and Quebec, and the Atlantic Vet College. We work with a few regional labs, and we also work closely with researchers at various universities. We have gotten involved in research projects because of the uniqueness of what we do here. We've been able to help in their research project. And it is key to be involved with the other vaccine companies as well. And I belong to the Canadian Animal Health Institute, which is an organization of those companies. And even though you're in some sense competitors, you're also colleagues and collaborators.